Novak Heating Air and Duct Cleaning wants homeowners in Cedar Rapids to know closing HVAC vents in unused rooms might seem like a smart way to save energy and improve comfort, but it is actually a common misconception that can backfire. Your heating and cooling system is designed to balance airflow throughout your entire home. When you close vents, pressure builds up inside your ductwork, which can cause leaks, reduce energy efficiency, and even damage key components like the heat exchanger or blower motor. Instead of saving money, you could end up increasing utility bills and shortening your system's lifespan. The Environmental Protection Agency recommends keeping humidity levels between 30 and 50%, which becomes more difficult if you restrict airflow by closing vents. Rather than closing vents, Novak recommends keeping doors open, partially adjusting vents if needed, and considering solutions like ductless mini-splits or multi-zone HVAC systems. Routine maintenance also helps your system run efficiently and last longer. Novak's certified technicians can help you find the safest, most effective options for your home. Trust Novak Heating Air and Duct Cleaning for expert HVAC advice and service. Call Novak today at 319-364-4626 for an inspection or to schedule maintenance and enjoy year-round comfort in your home.